Hello and welcome to the manual calibration video. This is for individuals who are having trouble calibrating automatically and the reset or recalibrate button does not solve the problem. This is if the tracking is inconsistent, it is jumping around the screen or causing problems. So first off, we'll start your camera. Make sure you look and see your background, the lighting, all of the environmental factors around you that might cause tracking errors. These should be resolved by maybe moving to a different location, providing a lamp. Any of the above can increase tracking. But we'll go into manual calibration today to talk about a lot of the ways that you can reduce any of the noise that you're seeing by having a more accurate or strict representation of the tracking. So before you get started, make sure that the beam is in sight and then go to manually calibrate. You'll click manually calibrate and it'll switch to black and white. Black is what is being ignored by the camera and the tracking system for looking at the beam. The white is the beam itself. We want to optimize today using manual tracking the beam itself. We want to make sure that the beam is the only thing that is being picked up, or for the most part the only thing that is being picked up, and that the dots are not filled in. So you can adjust the hue first to start off. You'll see that small variations make a pretty large difference in this. So you'll usually find something in the range of 113, 112, or will be an optimal range, depending on the lighting environment. Then you'll go to the hue range. So what you want to do here is increase it until the whole beam is showing in white, but you do not see the nodes, the dots, being covered by white. You also don't want to see the lines or the logo on the front of the beam at this step. Next, you can increase your saturation. Increasing the saturation will reduce a lot of the noise in the background. I don't have a lot of noise in my background right now, but you might. So increase the saturation minimum until it starts removing from the beam itself. You can see it's becoming grainy and we start to see the logo. That is too far. We want to increase it just so that is the beam is all white. Keeping the saturation maximum high is usually the best option for tracking. Then we can increase the minimum value. We want to do the same thing that we did with the saturation up into the point where the beam becomes grainy. We want to make sure that it's all ready to go, that it's tracking this whole thing, and that the nodes are very clear. Once you've done this satisfactory, once this is satisfactory, click Calibrate. Tracking will then switch over and it will proceed with the values provided. These values might be good for you to write down or remember if you find ones that work particularly well, so that you can use them again in the future. We hope that this helps, and we hope that this improves your experience. If you have problems or continue to have problems, please shoot us an email down below in the contact us and let us know so we can try to help and troubleshoot your tracking errors. Thank you. We hope you are learning with interactive mechanics, and have a great day.